What up guys, Benji D here from 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how often you should be changing your car's oil. A lot of people that ask that question is usually people who doesn't change their own car oil because they just go by that sticker mark. Whatever the sticker says is what they do. But if you do plan on changing your own oil in the future, here's when I recommend you change it. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
Realize that the bottle itself has the recommended time to change your oil, whether it's every 6 months or 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Full synthetic oil does last a little bit longer, so it's probably going to tell you like 10 or 15,000 miles. Anyways, though, I go by the recommended 5,000 to 7,000 miles no matter what kind of oil I have in my car, just because I like keeping my car maintained. If you often take your car to shops for oil change, I do recommend you learn how to do it on your own. It doesn't take long. It's going to be a 30 to 40 minute process if you're experienced. It may take you an hour if you're just learning how to do everything, like jacking your car up, actually taking out the oil plug, and then draining out the oil, putting in the new oil, changing your oil filter. If it's your first time doing it, it's obviously going to take you a little bit longer than what shops would take or what an experienced person would take to do it. But I guarantee you it is beneficial to learn how to change your own oil, because after the first time, you're actually going to be saving anywhere from like 70 to like $100. Don't forget to keep record of when you changed your oil. For example, what you could do is take a picture of the odometer, take a picture of how much miles it has, and then save it into your favorites on your phone. So whenever you forget or you want to remember when to change your oil, you just go back inside of the picture, you go back inside of the favorites on your phone, and just take a look at the odometer and then calculate to see how much miles you have left. Or you could do the calculation in advance and then put it on a sticker on your windshield. So whenever you need to know, just look up, oh, I have 3,000 miles left. Anyways, guys, there you have it. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Benji D here from 𝐏𝐫𝐴, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.